Hi guys. I am Rollins Any Rider / Gamer. I welcome you all to my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. If you find the video helpful, please like and share it. Today I am going to talk about India's favorite cruiser bike, and that is Bajaj Avenger. It is the only cruiser bike in India that looks good, that feels good and look like an actual cruiser. I have owned this bike, and with blind eyes I have a trust on this bike that it can tour miles away from your homes. Its comfortable nature and sleek design greatly attributes to its fame and popularity among the Indian riders. The tagline of Bajaj Avenger is "Feels like God." That's very truly said, because only when we ride it we know it's the most comfortable bike India has ever had. It is made in India, bike owned by Indian company Bajaj. It is a pride for Indian bikes abroad, as it is famous in Southeast Asia, Russia, South America, and many other parts of the world. The Pulsars too aren't lagging behind in the popularity. In this video we are going to discuss about the history of Avenger bikes and see the various ads of Bajaj Avenger since it was launched 14 years back. Till now there are 3 generations of Avenger bikes since it launched in 2005. The first generation was from 2005 to 2015, second generation from 2015 to 2017, and current Avengers are the third generation. I myself owned the second generation Avenger and named it Bluno as it was blue in color. The video playing now in background is about second generation Avenger. So let's enjoy the video and see the long history of India's favorite cruiser Bajaj Avenger. So we just saw the video. It was really cool, right? The journey of Avenger bikes has been long, since 14 years. It adapted to the technological changes, cosmetic changes of the year, and in 2019 it launched the 3rd gen Avenger, which was totally a game changer with all the modern tech, new look, and the best thing was the inclusion of all digital meter, and the newest editions comes with ABS. That's what is the slogan of New India, which is Digital India.
Presenting the all-new 2018 Bajaj Avenger. Feel like God.
With the 2018 3rd gen Avengers also came the new color, which is called Moon White for the first time, and the 2018 models of both street and cruise Avengers focused mainly on Moon White. The theme was Ride White.
The horizon, bleached by your soul. You know it. If the beast you chase was a color, it would be white. Presenting the all-new Avenger Whites. Ride white.
Wanna go away somewhere? Anywhere. Want to stop, to laze, to just waste time. To never think twice.
As India's most favorite cruiser, Avenger has not only filled our
ride
rides
under
with
an
joy
open
and
sky.
wanderlust but also helped to stabilize the gender differences in society.
Me too.
It believes in gender equality of riders and encourage women to break the stereotypes and hop on the Avenger and enjoy the beautiful nature and the beautiful life. So guys, this was my short tribute to India's most favorite cruiser, Avenger, and I wish all the success in its upcoming projects. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the video. See you in the next video. Peace.